Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. So, what magnitude of earthquake is about 2 times as intense as an earthquake with a magnitude of 5.5? So, this would be a log application question because it's earthquakes, and that times as intense, that's that ratio of I1 over I2. And we're going to use this formula, I1 over I2 equals 10 to the M1 minus M2, where M1 and M2 are the magnitudes of the earthquake. Now, if we're going to put a 2 in for I1 over I2, that means our bigger earthquake magnitude has to be the first number we write. And it did say what magnitude is about 2 times intense, so we're actually looking for the first one, so the larger one, which means the 5.5 would be subtracted from that. So m minus 5.5 in the exponent. Now, we cannot get the bases the same for this exponential equation, so we are going to log both sides, and we're just going to do base 10 because that would mean the right-hand side would just turn into the exponent because the base on the power is 10 as well as the base on the log. So that is just going to become m minus 5.5 because the value of a log is the exponent, right, when the bases are the same. All right, now we isolate m by adding 5.5 to both sides. So we would have log of 2 plus 5.5, and let's get that number on the calculator. And we get 5, m would equal 5.8, and it keeps going, but to the nearest tenth, 5.8 would be your answer. And notice it's slightly bigger than the 5.5, so that's good. That's what we expected. Alrighty, and there we go. The answer would be D. Hope that helped.